at us as a species. This is something that Ellen does in her book. She looks at us as the whole species as though it were a life cycle. And she's saying we are just really at that stage of almost like just coming out of adolescence and into maturity. You know, in the Aramaic language, the word Bisha was often translated into English as evil. But Bisha doesn't mean evil. It means immature. It's unripe. It's not ready. We are so young. We are just getting started with understanding, accepting the truth, right? For so long here in the Western world and in the Christian faith, we have been under a very different rule. The power is outside of us. I am sinful and unworthy, and I beseech God to please give me what I want. And sometimes he's good to me, and sometimes he's not, and sometimes he's nice. And it is really done a number on us, hasn't it? It's confusing. It's much simpler to understand that all there is God. We are that expression, and sometimes we're not. And when we're not expressing that love, we create a lot of the chaos. When we deny that love, when we don't accept who we truly are, that's when we create the crazy, right? We don't accept our good. Yeah. We're just still learning. She also Ellen also likened it to if we were like in early man, like the caveman's time, it would be like discovering fire. You know, for the first time, just like discovering fire and being like, whew, it's pretty, it's bright, it's hot. I don't know how we did it exactly, and I don't know what we can do with it exactly. Little did they know. And look at us, in such a short amount of time, we have been able to, look what we can do with combustion and fire and everything. And this is us. So this is where we are going with it. We are just now becoming aware of the principle, how to work with it and bring it forth more consistently. And in doing so, not only blessing our own lives and choosing from the quantum field of possibilities what we want to experience, but we are also blessing this world in the same way that Jesus did, by relieving suffering, by being the light and bringing it forward to show others how to also be that light and find it.